Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to dive into a essential Google Ads topic, adding UTM parameters to your campaigns. Do you know the benefit of using UTM parameters and how we can apply UTM parameters to each campaign, ad group and ads? Let's quickly understand what the UTM parameters are. UTMs are the code snippets which you can add to your ads URL to gather the valuable insights such as traffic, source, medium and other valuable parameters. This piece of information is crucial to analyze the performance of your ads campaign. The first step is to generate the UTMs for your campaign. You can do this by using various online tools such as Google's campaign, UTM Builder and so on. You can find these platforms or these online platforms on Google and you can create the UTM parameters using these platforms. You will need to input the information like source, medium and other parameters you want to track. This is a long way because you have to create the UTM parameters for each campaign, each ad group and each ad sets, which is time consuming process. I would recommend the second method of doing or applying the UTM parameters because it saves your time, because it can be implemented on account level, just applying a simple tracking template to the account level. Using this template, we don't have to create the UTM parameters for all the ad sets, campaigns and ad groups. While using this tracking template, you can track the parameters such as source, medium, campaign ID, ad group ID and even the keywords too. So let's get into the screen on how you can apply UTM parameters or UTM tracking template on a Google Ads account. Begin by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the setting option. Click on the setting tab located on the left hand side. Next, select the tracking option. You will find the final URL suffix section where the tracking template will be placed. Paste your tracking template in these sections. This template will automatically apply the required UTM parameters to all ad groups, keywords and campaigns. For the final check, click on the test button. You can see the UTM parameters implemented on each ad group, campaign and for each keywords. You can use the comment section to suggest us the next topic for our video. I'll definitely get back to you on your comment. If you find this video useful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content.